What started as a simple idea bringing in clean, reliable Japanese K-trucks has now become a full-blown reality. These trucks are compact, efficient, and built to work. Perfect for farms, small businesses, deliveries, you name it. Flatbeds or dump trucks. Doesn't matter because they all are built with a solid engine and ready to hit the ground running. We handpicked them, we brought them in, and now they're here. Just so you wouldn't have to deal with the hassle. But listen, stock is super limited. Once they're gone, that's it. If you've been thinking about getting one, this is your sign. Message us, come see them, and lock yours in now. At Superior Pulses, we don't just move crops. We get the gears going for you because you deserve a truck that works as hard as you.